Hello dear students, good morning. Let us start today's lecture on extended compound angles. Sine of a plus b plus c is equal to formula is sine a cos b cos c. Remember the formula. Sine of a plus b plus c formula is sine a cos b cos c plus sine b cos a sin c plus sin c cos a cos b minus sin a sin b sin c. Just you can see that you have a b c here. Let's see here, a b c, sin a first, next cos b cos c, next here sin b first, next cos a cos c plus sin c first, cos b cos a. You can take in multiplication ABC anywhere, no problem. Minus of sin a sin b sin c. This is the formula of sin a plus b plus c formula. Okay, this is the extended things. This is only purely advanced level. Okay, so here what we do here, sin of a plus b plus c formula. How you got sin of a plus b? You know, sin a plus b formula is what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Likewise, sin of a plus b plus c will be written as sin a cos b plus c plus cos a sin b plus c. So here we can write as sin a into cos b plus c formula, cos b cos c minus sin b sin c, cos b plus c formula, and here cos a sin b plus c formula, sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. How you got here? This is I applied cos a plus b formula. A place you have b and b place you have c. After this, if I get this is, if I multiply this, that is I am going to get this answer. This is what the formula we have. So if I multiply this, I am going to get here sin a cos b cos c minus, next here sin a sin b sin c plus cos a sin b cos c plus cos a cos b sin c. This is what the exact formula of this, and these both formulas are same. So hence we proved it. But sin a plus b plus c in terms of tan also we can write. How we might do is here, this equation we will divide by cos a cos b cos c. So what I am going to get here, if I divide by cos a cos b cos c, so what I am going to get, that I will explain you. If I divide by that is cos a cos b cos c, then I am going to get here is sin of a plus b plus c is equal to, I am multiplying and dividing. Okay, cos a cos b cos c, I multiplied and I divide here where this is the equation. Here this one, this is the equation. There I am going to divide. Okay, I am going to divide this formula. You take as a formula only, right? Not this first equation. Take the formula as the first equation. Okay, take the formula as the first equation, and this is what the formula, and divide by this with cos a cos b cos c. You are multiplied and now you are dividing this here. So cos b cos c will cancel. You get sin a by cos a, that is tan a. Okay, plus now if you divide by this one, cos a will cancel, cos c will cancel, sin b by cos b, that is equal to tan b, and plus when I divide this by this one, I get cos a cancel, cos b cancel, I get as tan c. Okay, minus if I divide this with by this, sin a by cos a tan a, sin b by cos b tan b, sin c by cos c tan c, that is I am going to get as tan a tan b tan c. This is what I am going to get. So sin of a plus b plus c value is nothing but cos a into cos b into cos c, and this is I can write in a mathematical symbol using the sigma. Sigma shows that addition of these terms. So here a you have, b have, you have, c have. So till whatever the variable is there that time. So this is comes to tan a. We can write as sigma tan a. Sigma tan a meaning is what? Tan a plus tan b plus tan c. We are talking about three things here. So we will get as the meaning of a plus b plus c is sigma tan a means tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus, and this product in mathematics we represented by pi. pi tan A. So hence the formula is sine of A plus B plus C is equal to cos A cos B cos C sigma tan A minus pi tan A. This is also formula, this is also formula. Remember this formula, it is used most times. So these are the extended formulas of trigonometry. Now we have learned sine, let us go for the cos. Let us discuss some more formulas. So cos of A plus B plus C is equal to formula is cos A cos B cos C minus cos A sin B sin C minus sin A cos B sin C minus sin A sin B cos C. This is the formula for cos A plus B plus C. This formula also came as cos of A plus B plus C. You can take B plus C as B and do the formula. You get the same way as the proof above. So now what I do here is I multiply in terms of tan to get cos A cos B cos A plus cos B plus cos C. In terms of tan I multiply and divide by cos A cos B cos C, as I told you in the previous proof. So if I multiply and divide by this, if I multiply, then I am going to get as cos of A plus B plus C is equal to, if I multiply cos A cos B cos C here, what I am going to get here, cos A cos B cos C, okay, and now you are dividing inside. So whenever you divide this, I get 1, and when you divide this one, see that cos A cancel, sin B by cos B, sin C by cos C, that is I am going to get as tan B tan C. Okay, when I divide by this one, sin A by cos A, cos B by cos B, cos B cancel, cos B gets cancelled. So what I am going to get here, tan A tan C, okay, minus, and if I do divide by this, I am going to get what here, what I got here I got 1, minus here when I divide, I got here cos A cancel, tan B tan C minus, here I got as tan A tan C minus, here I will get as tan A tan B tan C. This is what the formula I am going to get. So the formula of cos A plus B plus C is equal to, we can write as cos A cos B cos C. Let me check, one mistake is there I think. What I got here is, when I divide by cos A cos B cos C, here I got 1, here I got tan B tan C, here I got tan A tan C. When you divide here, cos C cancel. I thought it is a sin C. So I am going to get as minus tan A tan B. So what I am going to get finally is cos A cos B cos C under bracket 1 minus if you cancel, take out common, tan B tan C plus tan A tan C plus tan A tan B. I am going to get this is the formula exactly in terms of tan. So here cos of A cos B cos C is equal to this, and this is also can be written as pi cos A, because it is in the product, you can write pi cos A, and 1 minus this is I can write as sigma, this is I can write as tan B tan C, because you have two things here, B C A is here, what I am going to AC, BC, AC, AB. So these are pattern repeating. BC ones, AC ones, AB ones, AB, BC, CA. So it is pattern repeating. So we can write as, this is the formula is, this I can write as pi cos A, 1 minus this is I can write as sigma is an addition sigma. So sigma tan B tan C we can write, because these are A, B, C, cyclically it moves. So if I write BC, meaning is next to BC means next to CA, next to AB, like that. The meaning it works the meaning like that. So here this we can write like this. So tan A plus B plus C formula is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C upon 1 minus tan A minus tan 1 minus tan B tan C minus tan C is tan A. Oh, sorry. 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. It means this is can be written as, this is nothing but sigma tan A. What is the meaning of sigma tan A? It is a cyclic of ABC. So with meaning is tan A once, tan B once, tan C once addition. And this is the product. So product means pi tan A. Pi tan A. Meaning is what? Tan A into tan B into tan C. and 1 minus, if I take minus common in this, I am going to get what? Tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. So if I take minus common in under bracket, I can write as sigma. Commonly it is all AB, BC, CA. So I can write as sigma tan A tan B. If I write this meaning is going to get this meaning, and this meaning is same. So finally, I explained all the extended compound angles, sine, cos and tan. Let us solve some problems based on that. And this is what we are going to learn today. Students, let us see the problems based on this. Here in a triangle ABC, if a cos A, cos B, cos C is 1 by 3, then the value of sigma tan B tan C is how much? Options are given. You know cos A plus B plus C formula is cos A, cos B, cos C, 1 minus sigma tan B tan C. You know that it is a triangle. So sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So what I can write here, cos 180 degrees is equal to cos A, cos B, cos C value they given 1 by 3. 1 minus, you have to find sigma tan B tan C. That's it. You have to find this value. So what I can write, cos pi value is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 minus sigma tan B tan C I have to find. So you hope you understand this. I am going to get as minus 3 is equal to 1 minus sigma tan B tan C I get. Now I have to get this one. So send this one here and minus 3 here. So what I am going to get here, sigma tan B tan C is equal to, this is become plus, and this is equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. D is the right answer. Hope you understand. Let us go move to the next question based on. Students, let us see the next question based on this. In a triangle ABC, find cot A, cot B plus cot B, cot C plus cot C, cot A. This value you have to find, and this is most important question asked in previous year. Tan of A plus B plus C is equal to formula sigma tan A minus pi tan A upon 1 minus sigma tan A tan B. You know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So tan 180 degrees is equal to sigma tan A minus this pi tan A divided by sigma tan A upon pi tan A. This is pi tan A. Okay, pi tan A divided by 1 minus sigma tan A into tan B. And you know that tan pi value is 0. 0 into this one, if you do cross multiplication, that becomes 0. 0 is equal to sigma tan A minus pi tan A. Hope you understand here. This value is multiplying with this 0 because tan pi value is 0. So you get this one. And this is a very important result, that is sigma tan A will be equal to pi tan A if it is given a triangle. So they given ABC is a triangle. So then we will get the condition that is sigma tan A is equal to pi tan A. Sigma tan A formula is what? Sigma tan A formula is tan A plus tan B plus tan C, that is equal to pi tan A means tan A into tan B into tan C. This is the formula, right? The meaning of that is that. So what you have to find here is asking to find cot A, cot B, cot C. So what you do here, you have to do one thing is divide by tan A, tan B, tan C here. You just divide by cot A, divide by cot A, divide by, what do you do here? Tan A, you have here tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to what you have here, tan A into tan B into tan C. Divide by tan B tan C here. So just divide by tan A tan B tan C on both sides. If we divide by tan A tan B tan C on both sides, what I am going to get here, tan A will be cancelled out. 1 by tan B tan C will be getting. 1 by tan A tan B will be cot B cot C. Are you getting it here? Tan A divided by, I get as tan A tan B tan C plus, likewise I will get. So tan A cancel. So 1 upon tan B and 1 upon tan C, I am going to get as cot B cot C. So I am going to get as what here, cot B cot C. Same likewise you are going to get here also. Here also what you are going to get here, cot A, B cancel out. So what I get here, cot A, cot C. And here if I divide here, C cancel out, cot A, cot B I am going to get. And when I divide this side, I am going to get 1. So cot A, cot B plus cot A, cot B plus cot B, cot C plus cot C, cot A, that value is going to get 1. 1 is the answer here. So hope you understand, when you are dividing with by tan A, tan B, tan C, you are going to get this answer. Let us go for the next question.